Mahogany Bay in Roaton, Honduras is the hottest Caribbean island I have ever been on. It's about 90 in the shade and 100% humidity. And you walk off the air-conditioned boat and your glasses just steam right up. It's just miserable.
The last one or no?
Yes.
Okay. Any place you want me to stop the car, please let me know, okay? Because in USA all the cities are big in USA, and most of the big cities there they have international airports.
We didn't have enough flat land.
It's hilly?
It's very, very hilly. This is like home, okay?
Oh, okay, that's good to know because most of the Americans, I think 90% of the Americans coming to this island, they come from the flat cities.
Yeah.
And you say it's all hilly.
Oh, you can't go anywhere without a hill. And even our downtown is a hill.
Small city, but it's all hilly. You know, Long Island and Brooklyn, Queens, they're all flat. Even when it's snowing, all the people they are driving over there. But Peekskill is all hilly. And when I was there for a few hours. Even just to take a little walk, it's very hard.
Yeah.
It's very, I mean, you have to be careful. It's just slippery.
Yeah, I think this is the same place.
Yeah, it's been the same because you see all the places selling things. I don't know. I'm gonna park over there. Then if you
Okay.
wanna take a look around here,
Yeah, we'll just be a few minutes.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.